Okay, in this video I want to show you an example of a third-party application for the Apple Watch that uses the hardware within the Apple Watch directly. And for this example, it's an app called Sleep++, and I use it to track my sleep throughout the night to evaluate the quality of sleep I've had. So let me go ahead and jump right into it. So let's go out to our apps, and it's right over here at the bottom left. This is the one with the little moon. I'm going to tap on it. And right now you can see that I've logged a nap that I took today and my sleep last night. And at the bottom here, you'll see that I was restless 30 minutes out of 6.5 hours of sleep. So roughly 8% of my total sleep time was I restless and moving around. And how this app in particular can gauge that restlessness is because it's using the accelerometer inside the Apple Watch to measure how much I'm moving throughout the night, because that's what the accelerometer does. It measures movement. Any subtle changes or shifts in movement, the accelerometer will pick up. And this is great because natively within the Apple Watch, there is no sleep tracking capability. There's no built-in app for it, and this is a solution to that. So all I do at night is I put on my Apple Watch, and before I go to sleep, what I do is I go straight to the app and hit start sleeping. And from then on, it will gauge my movement using the accelerometer inside the Apple Watch. And it's good too to put your Apple Watch into airplane mode. I'll show you how to do that. Just go out to the front here, go to the time, swipe up, and just put it in airplane mode. And what that will do is it'll help save battery life throughout the night. Now, having used this app once last night for a full 6.5 hours of sleep, I did put my Apple Watch in airplane mode, and I noticed that it only drained 9%. I started with about 97% before I went to sleep, and I woke up the next morning and it only drained to about 88%. So that's really, really good. It means that I can wake up in the morning, throw my Apple Watch on a charger, and charge it up back to full 100% before I leave for work. So this is the perfect example of how third-party apps are using the hardware on the Apple Watch directly now. And I think we're going to see some awesome apps get launched in the next year here because they have this capability now. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to go through the Apple Watch face and show you the different complications that are now available for Apple Watch faces.